Hello, hello, Slayers! How's it going? Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment below. Let's get into it. So today I'll be doing a self-care routine for my face. And I'm using the So Fresh So Clean wipes. Step 1 would be our cleansing charcoal plus lemon wipe. It's black. And it removes dirt, oil, and makeup. I had a makeup yesterday, so I definitely want to get this routine in. With the charcoal, it does act like a magnet for like gently drawing out those deep dwelling dirt bugs. Ugh, yes, I call them dirt bugs, whatever. Then our lemon helps to treat like acne prone skin. The product is good for all skin types though, but this one really specifically says like acne prone skin due to like the antibacterial properties and stuff like that. And you just want to get all into those problem areas and then toss it aside into the trash, not the toilet, guys. It's a bigger problem. Step 2 was our pink wipes. Oh my god, my voice, you guys hear that? Oh, sorry about that. But these are pink wipes, smell so freaking good. These are the exfoliating pink salt and grapefruit wipes. Now, as far as the pink salt will help to scrub away all the dead skin cells and just provide overall skin with like good essential minerals. Where the grapefruit part is more of like a peel and it soothes and brightens the skin. Now for me, my problem areas again would be like around my mouth and my eyes, so that's a little darker, my sun damage, so definitely recommend using that too. It is a step process, but you know. Step 3 is our blue wipes. I love how they're all colored. Oh, so cute. These are our toning witch hazel plus aloe vera wipes. These are to help shrink the pores. Now, I know I'm doing this video for us ladies, hey, but this product is also good for men too. So, men, if you're watching this, go ahead and get you some. And you see, like, there's still makeup underneath my chin. Like, I thought I got it all, but obviously not a problem. This wipe is going to help me clear all that up while shrinking my pores. And I love this product because it is hypoallergenic and not tested on animals. Also, it has good pH balance. Now, we move on to step 4, bright green. Isn't that pretty? So step 4 will be our moisturizing coconut milk and oatmeal wipes. Now, I don't eat oatmeal, so that's interesting, but it does smell good. These wipes are for nourishing and hydrating the skin. Now for this, the coconut inside restores the skin with like a blend of fatty acids or whatever and like antioxidants. And then the oatmeal comes right behind, acting as a barrier to soothe and protect the skin. I love doing these facial routines, making sure my skin is healthy, getting the right moisturizer. It's definitely a good idea to do that. I want to know what you guys like. You guys comment below and let me know. Then I'm going to follow behind with our Urbanskinrx Even Tone Cleansing Bar. Twist that top on off of there. Grab your sponge. It does come with 2 sponges. And you're just going to want to put some water on it. Get a good creamy lather and just swirl it around, get the product on. I don't like to have it too wet, just damp enough to where I can get it on the sponge. And I'm supposed to have a good creamy lather, but I don't. So most likely I'll just be going back in, making sure I have a good creamy lather. And you can use this for your under eyes, your overall face, and your neck, just to make sure you have a good even skin tone. I recommend using it daily, at least twice a day if you can. I feel like my results were better when I use it more than once a day. So definitely try it. Let me know what you think. Making sure I get that area under my eyes, around my mouth, and my nose. Up in my forehead. All up in there. It's gonna feel so good after you completed these steps. Oh, look at me. See, I'm excited. Do you see that? You can be excited too. You can be excited too. And then now, what I'll go ahead and do is rinse out my sponge, making sure I'll let it sit to dry. And by doing that, I'm just going to put the top back on the cleansing bar and then just place the sponge on top. Like so. Boom. Then I'm just going to wash my face because I look a mess. But that's okay. This is the whole point. So I'm washing my face off with warm water. I recommend lukewarm to warm water because I don't see why cold water would be good. I don't know, but let me know if it works for you. I'm definitely open to trying it. And then you'll just want to get a good facial cloth and pat your skin dry. I'd rather do this rather than just like wiping it all off. Just press it into the skin around where the areas I'll put the product at. And then just make sure it's all good and dry. I don't know. I feel like I should do more of these videos. What do you guys think? Give me some products to try. Oh wait, I forgot something. Ha! I did. It was the Even Tone Super Glow Serum. I like how it has like a golden yellowish look. So cute. And what you want to do is just place it on the areas that you feel are necessary. And you would do at least 4 to 6 drops once or twice a day. So this mixed with the Even Tone cleansing bar is good for twice a day. I would also recommend getting their other products. It says that it is like, you know, overall melanated experts, but everyone can use it. I mean, everyone. And now you can see I disappeared. I forgot my jade roller, hello, and my under eye roller. I got the pink one from Dollar Tree, and I think I got the other one from Dollar Tree too. I'll definitely take a look and put the price down below. It might be Dollar General, maybe? I don't know. I'll let you guys know. But I definitely like to use my jade roller when I'm using like oils, just to make sure it's going in good around those areas that I need it to. Get my blood flowing. It's working. I can feel it. Oh, does anybody else make these crazy faces? Unless it's just me, I don't know. If it's just me, y'all can tell me. It's okay. Now I'm just going to rub in the rest. Make sure it's all good. And then I'm out. Oh yeah, mistakes were made.